Last week I was in Nakorotumbu in Ra on Monday. We opened up an evacuation center at Verre village in Nakorotumbu. That evacuation center will help the community of Verre and also the nearby villages in the district of Nakorotumbu. That was one of the assistance by government and also community contribution also aided to it. Second was we were at the opening of a water project in Watusheki Sawa, that is in the Tikina of Rakiraki. Given that the water system they had before, it was not clean. So the water system that was open has got a purifier too, that has helped the villagers to drink clean water and also water for doing washing and washing the dishes and clothes. In the rural communities of Fiji and the maritime areas, they are so happy about what government is doing, opening up. I was at Nabosa last Friday, opening up a community access road that will link up Nausori Highlands to Vatumali, the government station. If you go around that road from Nausori Highland before that access road was open, you'll have to take 2 hours drive across to Bukuea down to Vatumali. And that's around $500 of the carrier you have to pay. For the new access road, it takes only 20 minutes, and it's just $50 for a carrier. So these are some of the things the people have been crying for years. If people have died, even ladies have got birth on the road, given they could not reach hospital on time. So these are some of the things that really trickles and impacts the communities. And I want to thank the community out there and also Fijians in rural areas for supporting the government and having the patience over the years waiting for assistance.